Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Chandana talking to you. Actually today I just wanted to add a note about a social thing, a social problem faced by parents and children. Children are the main source where parents are worried about what they are using, how they are using their mobiles, why they are using their mobiles, or why they're watching this much of TV, or why they doesn't want to study, when they are going to go sit with their books and all. So today actually I just wanted to help and give a small tips to our children that there are many disadvantages of watching mobile for a long time. Actually, school activities means wherever they go, whichever school they are sitting in, it doesn't matter. They have to open their books and study for few hours at least. I don't want to tell every parent that your child has to sit for 24 into 7 and they have to sit on by hearting whatever it is there in the books. But now problem is all the parents are just focusing on take your books out, please open your books, go sit in your study room, sit with your study bench and go sit there and study. This is not the main word to tell. Actually, parents should be the most friendliest part to the children so that they won't go with the wrong things and they'll be with the right things in their life. Actually, in olden days, there are few hours with the children spent by the parents. Okay. Nowadays, it's like mother is in some job and father is in another job, and they'll be busy with their office works or whatever routines in their life. And children are like they were left alone. So they don't know what to do and what not to do. And there is no one to explain them. Previously, there were grandparents who will direct them to do what are the things children has to go on with and not to. And nowadays, it's like grandparents are put in another house and parents are in separate world, so-called business and office times. So now these children are like they're staying in a separate home. It's just like that because nobody's there to care for them and nobody's there to question them till they do a biggest mistake. That is like whatever we watch today in our social media. And now it's like students are like coming to home, they'll throw their bags, and schools are also like heavy hours. Almost all it is like 12 hours of school. Morning 6 o'clock they'll go and night 7 o'clock they'll come back to home. This is like very harsh for them and they can't tolerate this time also. And our brain needs some rest to sit and relax, and then we can put on new things into our brain. So obviously when the children come back to home, they just want to relax. They don't want to open their books. After coming at 7 o'clock, there is no time for them to relax. Again, parents or father or mother will tell them, just open your books, come on, get ready, study. And everybody see our neighbor's son is studying like this, studying like that, and how he's behaving, just learn from them. This is a big mistake done by our parents. Please don't compare with your children with the others' children, because they are not yours and these children won't be their children. And it's like you should notice what is the deficit in your child and teach them like a friend, not like a guide or a teacher, or don't be like a warden for them. And I saw a few of the parents, they'll start beating up the children just because of, they'll tell them many times it seems, please study or be obedient with others. They'll tell them 2 or 3 times, and fourth time it is a time for a stick to come in the story. So I doesn't want any parent to beat their children, because when you beat or use harsh words, your child will become stubborn and they'll go in a wrong way. Whatever you tell, they'll just tell no to that and they'll go in a wrong way only. And because nobody is there to guide them, they'll feel like all wrong ways are right. So please don't insist any child to do so. Request or tell them the importance. Main thing is you should tell them the importance of good things and tell them the disadvantages of bad things. Then only you should direct them in a good or bad way. And nowadays it's like children are using a mobile phone like hell. It's like it is like degenerating the cells of your brain, and it will harm you. Your intellectual performance will be reduced, your memory will reduce, and you are unable to study. I want children to watch this also, because whenever your memory is low, your curricular activities will be very low and your school performance will be very low. Then the time comes, everybody will start scolding you. This is the worst part every child will experience. It is all because of TV and mobiles. And due to mobiles, people are experiencing blurring of vision, eyesight is increasing, and they'll put on specs at the age of 4 or 5 only sometimes. Due to genetic predisposing factors or anything else, it can be specs will be there. But using glasses at the age of 10 and 5, it's like really horrible, and it is a miserable thing. They should carry the specs, otherwise they couldn't even see the proper, even people also they can't see. Near vision and far vision both will be lost for them, and it's like miserable with the specs. Okay, so nowadays mobile is the thing which is causing reduced sleep in children, which again reduces memory, and they can't even do their go to their school properly, and they can't even do their curricular activities, and they can't even play with their friends, because without sleep we can't, our brain won't work 24 into 7. Our brain at least needs 8 hours of sleep. So that sleep we are killing with mobile, because mobile light has blue rays which destroys our brain cells, and it will definitely affect our eyes, brain and body functionings also, because in return we were not sleeping due to use of mobiles at late nights. And I request all children to use mobile for a limited period whenever there is need, not like playing games, so-called like group games and all. I can see many games, people are like crazy about it, and they'll call to their friends, they'll tell you kill that person, you kill this person. I don't want to mention the name of that, because other many people who are crazy about it will just scold me back, and their parents will also get to know what game they are going to play. So I don't want to mention it. So I please request you all, switch off your mobiles 3 hours before, prior to your sleep. Your sleep time should be like wonderful, and you will get a complete brain rest. When you start using mobile till night 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, it's very hard, and your brain is like, you're just beating your brain like hell. It's like that for it, and we won't know whatever we are doing. So I request all children and whoever is using mobiles to late nights to switch off their mobiles before sleeping, that is 3 hours before sleeping, and then have a good and healthy sleep for a healthy life. Thank you.